Coming in of a fire that has broken out on the 42nd floor of a high-rise in Baikala in Mumbai. The fire brigade is currently at the spot. These are the visuals from the spot. The cause of the fire is not known yet. My colleague Rucha is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rucha, the visuals show smoke emanating from the building. The fire broke out at the 42nd floor. Any details of the evacuation process? Any injuries being reported?
Well, as of now, no injuries or any injuries is reported at the moment from the Mumbai Fire Brigade team. But the 5 engines and some water tankers have already reached the spot. And fortunately, the location of the fire is in Baikala, where the headquarters of Fire Brigade are there. So the help was sent immediately, and the building where the fire is reported is located at Baikala's. The building's name is Salset, and this is a luxurious apartment. It is a 57-storied building, and on 42nd floor the fire is reported. And now it's been more than half hour since the report was first informed about the fire at 10:45. Now the fire operations are underway. The cooling down operations is going on, but it is a challenge for the Mumbai Fire Brigade team because the 42nd floor is very far from the ground to reach there, because the fire engines that Mumbai Fire Brigade has do not go up to 42nd floor. They will have to manually go through the staircase to reach there up, and it is going to be difficult for the evacuation process, as in such situations when the fire is reported, the electricity in the building is stopped, and now the residents are also being brought down with the help of staircase. But now the currently Fire Brigade engineers, the officers are on the spot, and maximum teams are deployed there to make sure that everybody is brought down safely. And this is a luxurious apartment, and many of businessmen, many celebrities also are reported to be living there. And now it is becoming challenging for the Mumbai Fire Brigade to reach there, as the fire engines do not go up to high risers like this building Salset, which is at 42nd floor. And now the cooling down operation is underway. The fire engines are already on spot, but till now no injuries are reported by the Mumbai Fire Brigade, is what we learned.
Okay, all right. So this is a residential building where the fire has broken out. The fire being reported from the 42nd floor. So imagine the challenges. The fire brigades are currently at the spot. Residents being evacuated, especially from the floors which are above the 42nd floor. But there are challenges because you have to take the stairs all the way down. So, Rucha, there are several challenges. Any word on whether the fire has currently been doused or the operation is still on? Because there is that threat of the fire spreading to the other floors as well.
Well, of course, it is going to be a challenge, and well, that definitely is a fear, because there are many floors above 42nd, as the building is of 57th floor, and the residents who are living upstairs are it's difficult for them to get down with the staircase, and the fire brigade team is currently working on that. The fire is not doused yet. It is still being doused, and the cooling operation is still going on. But like I said, it is first of all very challenging for the fire brigade team to even reach there, as their water pipes or the fire engines do not reach up so high at 42nd floor. So right now the engineers, the fire brigade engineers, are first trying to reach there, and they are currently helping with the rescue operations, as well as to take control over the fire.
Okay, all right, Rucha, thank you for joining us with those details. The evacuation taking place currently, and the fire tenders are at the spot. With that, we're shifting our attention. When viewers, the next